It's all hail. That's a big pile of hail right there. About 300 pounds. Plants got hit real bad. And look at that. Strawberries just got hammered. There's nothing you could have done. My tomato plants. Cactus did alright. As you can see, I'm in my water shoes. See everything else? It's like that was about 10 to 15 minutes of hell. Holy mackerel. Jesus.